I bought and tested 2 of Amazon's most popular outdoor chairs. I've been using them for about, call it 2 months now. There's some pros, some cons. I'm gonna tell you everything you could possibly want to know about these. How many beverages can fit in each? How do they fold up easily? How much weight can they have? I'll answer all the questions for you. So let's get into it. This one right over here is the Oversized chair. This is by Pruvisa, P-U-V-S-A-I-A, and this is going to be the Colegence chair. Both are kind of similar in nature. Let's go over the Pruvisa one quick at first. So I'm going to bring this a little closer to you. So this is what this one looks like. We have the weather resistant stuff right over here. Super, super comfortable. I'll do the measurements for you as well. It's like being in a recliner in a camping chair. It's absolutely insane to me how comfortable this chair is. In terms of measurements, we're gonna go across right over here. Biggest camping chair I've seen so far. Got about 38 over there off the ground. This is about 17. Up top over here, we're looking at about 27, just like that. In terms of storage, really cool thing about this one, this has a wine holder on both sides. So if that's your thing, you could do 2 wine glasses at once. You'll see right over here, this slips in. You do have to give it a little push, and I'll show you why in a second. So this is what it looks like right over here. You're literally just gonna put that in just like that. I would suggest putting this in, then pouring your wine. Because you do have to I'm not saying you have to jam it in there, but you do have to give it like a tiny shove, and that's because it's super secure in here. Like, I was kind of nervous that this thing was like just gonna fall right out. It does not at all, and that's one of the things I like, because I am a wine drinker, so I really like that part of it. In terms of storage, we got this pocket right over here. So this one you could get 4 different water bottles in here if you wanted to. You could put ice in here as well, and then you could get 6 cans of soda in here if that's what you wanted to do. This has a Velcro piece right over here. You could zip that up if you wanted to. We also have a side pocket right over here. You can put whatever you want in there. And then if you are a Stanley or a tumbler person, I got one, not a Stanley, but this could go right in here. So you could put one of those in there if you wanted to. And then we also have a side pocket right over here with a zipper as well. We'll go into folding this up in a second. I'll go over the pros and cons of this one. This one right over here is the Colegence chair. So this one, right off the bat, we'll just measure real quick. We got going across right over here. We got 33 going across. We have 22 over there. Off the ground, we got about 20. So that's kind of the difference here. This one has a similar pouch right over here. So this has the zippered pouch that you could put stuff in. Let me grab this stuff. So in this pouch right over here, this pouch is a little smaller. So you can get about, call it 3 cans of soda in here and probably about 3 different water bottles. You could put 2 sodas in here and a water bottle. This does have a Velcro pouch as well. And then you would just zip this up. Make sure that goes just through there, just like that. And then you would just zip that up, and now you could put ice in there. And then we have a cup holder on this side right over here. And that's kind of the gist of this chair right over here. So with this chair right over here, so let's go over some of the differences between these. So this one right over here is bigger. You get 38 inches across. You're getting 38 inches over here. This one is 20 inches off the ground. This one is 17. So you're gonna be sitting lower in this chair for sure. This chair right over here, the Peruvian one, you get more beverages, more cans, more everything in that pouch, about 6 different cans by themselves or 4 water bottles. This one over here, we're looking at about 3 cans, maybe 3 water bottles, just really depends. You are going to get 2 with this one as well. So those are kind of the main ones. This one could hold 350 pounds. This one could hold 500 pounds. So take that for what it is. If you like to sit lower, I would say this is going to be a better chair for you. If you like to sit higher, this one will be for you as well. It just really depends. I would say this is kind of like probably like the ultimate camping chair. I would say that's how I would use this, or it's kind of how we use it if we go up to a campsite or something like that, just because you can hold so many beverages and stuff like that in here. You don't have to worry about that. You got the wine holders. I don't really think you're going to sporting events and putting a glass of wine in there, so that's kind of what that does. This one does not have that. I'd say this is a great chair for like an outdoor sporting game. You're watching someone play or whatever. You just really need a water bottle or something in there, and maybe you want like a soda or something like that. Nothing too crazy in that aspect as well. These both do come with cases, and they both do have shoulder straps. They're really easy to put in the case as well, which I appreciate. Most of these chairs that you get these days are kind of hard to put in the chair, in the case, but these are not like that. You literally just have to fold these up, make sure you have like all your drinks out of here, good to go. And then you literally just fold them up, and it's super easy. So if you're looking for some great chairs for camping, outdoors, you really can't go wrong with either one of these. I'd say the Pruvisa, P-U-V-S-A-I-A, is going to be great if you're kind of like tailgating or going to have a lot of drinks and a lot of snacks and things of that nature. This is going to be more of like a quick, we're going to a game, I just need a comfortable chair to sit in. This one is a little bit more comfortable for sure, just because it is bigger. It's like being in a recliner, this one right here. This one is like just being in a nice, comfortable chair. Hope you found this video helpful and you find the right chair for you. Give it a thumbs up if you did, and thanks for watching.